The market is currently worried that weight loss drugs like Wegovy and Zepbound, GLP-1s, will cure diabetes, rendering Insulet's PODD insulin pumps obsolete. The reality is that the primary users of insulin pumps are type 1 diabetics, T1D, who have an innate insulin deficiency that drugs cannot cure, and severe type 2 diabetics, T2D. The reality check: GLP-1s versus insulin pumps. Type 1 diabetes. In T1D patients, pancreatic islet cells have completely failed. GLP-1s cannot regenerate these cells or cure T1D. As long as T1D exists, insulin pumps remain a life-saving artificial pancreas. Insulet's Omnipod 5 is currently the only tubeless automated delivery system on the market, boasting immense user stickiness and high technical moats. Type 2 diabetes. Many severe T2D patients still require basal insulin even while on GLP-1s. Currently, the penetration rate of insulin pumps among T2D patients is less than 5%. Even if GLP-1s reduce a portion of the potential user base, Insulet's growth curve remains upward as long as penetration rises from 5% to 15%. LTV boost. Weight loss drugs reduce cardiovascular complications and extend life expectancy. This means the lifetime value, LTV, of a patient using Omnipod actually increases. GLP-1s and insulin pumps are not competitors. They are a relay race. The former extends the breadth of life, while the latter guarantees the quality of life. Consequently, significant demand persists across both T1D and T2D sectors, effectively eliminating the existential risk for the company. Product moat: Omnipod's dimensional strike. Compared to traditional tubed pumps from giants like Medtronic, Omnipod holds an absolute generational advantage. Tubeless design: it is the only mainstream patch pump. Without dangling tubes, patients can shower, swim, and exercise as if wearing a simple bandage, drastically reducing social stigma and lifestyle burdens. Automated insulin delivery, AID. Omnipod 5 was the first FDA-approved tubeless system to integrate in real time with continuous glucose monitors, CGM, like Dexcom, to automatically adjust dosages. This artificial pancreas experience is incomparable to traditional multiple daily injections, MDI. The razor and blade model. Traditional pumps require thousands of dollars in upfront costs. Insulet uses a consumable pricing model, resulting in nearly zero switching costs for patients moving from injections to pumps. Payer coverage. By utilizing the pharmacy channel rather than durable medical equipment (DME) channels, Insulet allows patients to start with extremely low, often zero, upfront costs. Industry ceiling: how much growth is left? T2D underpenetration, with pump usage below 5% in the T2D segment. Doubling the penetration rate to 10% would effectively double Insulet's revenue. International expansion. Insulet's 2025 surge was largely driven by international markets, 40% plus growth. Currently, they have only scratched the surface of developed nations. The vast Asian and Latin American markets remain virtually untouched. As Omnipod 5 gains global approvals, its total addressable market, TAM, is expected to grow from 8 million to 17 million people. The valuation game: is a 50% drop enough? Despite strong fundamentals, 20% plus revenue growth, 70% plus gross margins, is PODD a blind buy at these levels? Current valuation: based on 2026 projected EPS, PODD's forward PE is approximately 31x. While this is nearly half its historical peak, which once topped 100x, it still carries a high growth premium compared to the broader S&P 500 healthcare sector. Risk factors. Competition: Tandem is launching its micropump, Mobi. Though still tubed, its tiny form factor poses a challenge. Long-term T2D substitution. While penetration growth covers immediate losses, if GLP-1s significantly delay the transition to insulin dependency, e.g. by 5 to 10 years, it could dampen PODD's near-term cash flow growth. Macro payer pressure. In 2026, the pressure from Medicare to lower prices on high-cost medical consumables is a sword of Damocles, hanging over all medtech stocks. Personal strategy: waiting for the final chill. While the current $13.3 billion market cap shows value, I am balancing PODD's long-term potential against these risks. I will wait for a deeper discount in the share price, or wait for the GLP-1 market mania to reach a clear inflection point of exhaustion before entering.